Hey, what's up, YouTube? How everyone's doing? I hope everyone is doing well. As for me, I'm a bit frustrated right now. I've been busy setting up my laptop for school. It starts next week. And I decided to dive into the world of Linux. Why Linux? Well, I'm taking some network classes, diving into Cisco, and exploring a bit of cybersecurity. So far, things is going smoothly, but then I hit a snag. I was having trouble connecting to an Unraid share. I went through a few tutorials on YouTube, but none of them really helped. Just as I was going to give up, I found a comment on a website that gave me the answer. Use the IP address. I'll put a link to that form just in case you want to check it out yourself. And guess what? It worked like a charm. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process. And the best part is, no command line. Now, let's get started. Okay, I'm here on my Linux desktop. So first thing we want to do is go to Places and browse network. And you see here, the folder is empty. Go over here and click on other locations. Here at the bottom, we're going to add our share. This will give you some information here. This case, what type of protocol you're using, you don't remember the prefix, it'll let you know right here. We're using Samba, so this is what we'll be using. SMB // we do it in CLI, or as I'm doing it right here, because most of the tutorials on YouTube says you should do it like this. Except we'll get to that. That's momentarily. Let me enter the name of my server. And we click connect. Give it a couple of seconds. And you get this right here. So I'm a registered user. Let's enter the name and the password. Don't worry about domain. Work group is the default for everything. If you didn't change it, it's work group. If you're on your PC, work group. You're on a Linux server, work group. That's just what it is. Click connect, and you will get this right here. Unable to access location, failed to mount Windows share, invalid argument. I didn't know what the hell was going on. It took me about an hour to figure this out. Let's close that. Let's clear this. And this little change right here will solve all my problems. I don't know what it is. Maybe some settings in my Unraid server is incorrect or something. I don't know. I'm not a professional yet, but by entering the IP address of the server, it works, not with the server name. So let's go here and let me prove it to you. I click connect. The password was already saved, so went right on into it. That's simple. Had me pulling my hair out. That's why it's gone. All right, this is just a quick tutorial, let you know what's up with connecting Unraid share onto your Linux computer. That's it. I'll probably have a couple more videos coming because I'm still doing stuff. All right, y'all. Thank you for watching. Hope you found the information in this video useful. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell and share this video with anyone who can benefit. But if I missed something, dislike this video and leave a comment letting me know what I did wrong. I welcome constructive criticism. Also, you can follow me on social medias at tekminute.